Get ready for an exciting update on the highly anticipated Zootopia, Better Zoogether at Disney's Animal Kingdom. The construction progress is heating up, and we've got all the details for you. Zootopia, Better Zoogether is shaping up to be a must-see attraction, and we're here to take you behind the scenes with some exclusive insights. But here's where it gets controversial. Some areas are now restricted, and we're about to uncover why. Signage unveiled, secrets revealed. New exit sign. A fresh sign has appeared near the Tree of Life Theater's exit, currently hidden under a scrim. Get ready for a grand reveal as we approach the opening day on November 7th. Marquee sign unveiled. The back of the marquee sign at the entrance stands proud, showcasing a vibrant seafoam green with wooden accents. The standby and Lightning Lane queue signs hint at a wooden theme, confirmed by Disney's recent announcement about the show's inclusion in the Lightning Lane Multipass. https://wdwnt.com/Lightning Lane service added for Zootopia Better Zoogether. Restricted access. Certain areas around the Tree of Life are now off limits, including a turtle viewing spot near the roots. Construction crews are hard at work. And we've spotted some intriguing changes. Tree of Life transformations. At the back of the iconic tree, the roots have undergone a makeover with a darker paint job. Ropes and netting add an extra layer of intrigue, and we can't wait to see the final result. Walls and scrim. Temporary construction walls surround key areas, including the former meet and greet spot for Doug and Russell. This area will soon transform into the Nick and Judy meet and greet, opening in November. https://10 Doug and Russell meet and greet moves to make way for Zootopia. A new sign on the roof teases this exciting addition. Queue line sneak peek. The queue line for Tree of Life shows is taking shape, with more signage spotted. It seems like guests will have a unique experience as they wait for the show. Catfish area blocked. The area across from the restroom, home to the catfish, is also inaccessible. Temporary rolling planters have taken over, a common sign that construction is nearing its end. As we explore these changes, one question arises. Are these restrictions necessary, or is Disney keeping something special under wraps? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's discuss the magic and mysteries of Disney's construction process.